So let me start the presentation. We'll revise the part that we studied yesterday. We started with the harmonic analysis, right? So in harmonic analysis, see, two different things are there that we have to understand. Till the function f of x was known explicitly, and then we obtained its Fourier series expansion using the integral formulas of Fourier coefficients a0, an, and bn. But now we don't know the function, we know the functional values. That is value of the x and y, or value of x and f of x for different values of x. That is known to us. Okay. So now our aim is to convert the integration into summation. And that already we studied in 12th. So we understood that integration of y dx from x equal to a to b is written as h summation of yi. H is the common difference between xi's. Difference between x2 to x3, difference between x5 to x6, right? Between immediate two xi's, the difference is known as h. Then we started with the Fourier series expansion with the arbitrary period 12. Suppose f of x is a periodic function of period 12 defined in the interval x between 0 to 12, and functional values are given. That is x0, x1, x2, xm. y0, y2, y3, ym are given, and our aim is to find the Fourier series expansion. We have written the formula. Let me write it once again and then we'll start with the remaining part. Let me start. So, right, f of x equal to Fourier series expansion a0 by 2 plus summation an cos of n pi x divided by L plus bn sine of n pi x divided by L, n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, let me expand it. So f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus, when n equal to 1, we have a1 cos of pi x divided by L plus b1 sine of pi x divided by L when n equal to 1. When n equal to 2, a2 cos of 2 pi x divided by L plus b2 sine of, write with me, 2 pi x divided by L, and so on. Right, this is known as, write the name, constant term. Free from x, na? a0 by 2, this is known as constant term. This term is obtained when n equal to 1. So this is known as first harmonic. Right, known as first harmonic or fundamental harmonic. First harmonic or fundamental harmonic. This term is obtained when n equal to 2. That is second harmonic. And so on. Third harmonic, fourth harmonic. Hope you are getting this. Right? When n equal to 1, first harmonic or fundamental harmonic. When n equal to 2, second harmonic. N equal to 3, third harmonic. N equal to 10, 10th harmonic. Okay, then right. Magnitude of amplitude or magnitude of first harmonic. So in case of first harmonic, the Fourier coefficients are a1 and b1. And what is magnitude? a1 square plus b1 square. Then magnitude of second harmonic, what it will be? a2 square plus b2 square. a2 square plus b2 square. Then right next, third harmonic, it will be a3 square plus b3 square, and so on. Okay, now we want to write the formulas. Okay, so I'll use this, using, yesterday we studied this, integration from x equal to a to b f of x dx. That was written as integration from x equal to a to b y dx. and then it was written as H summation of yi, right? I equal to 0 to m minus 1. This we studied. Clear? So let me continue. Okay. So now see what we want to do. We want to write the A naught. See what will be the formula of A naught. Right now we know that A naught is equal to, yes, what is the formula of A naught? 1 upon L, I forget this, 1 upon L integration from 0 to 2L f of x dx. That may be written as 1 upon L integration from 0 to 2L y dx. And what we can write for integration of y dx like this, 1 upon L, right? Then H summation of yi, I equal to 0 to m minus 1. So what we have done in this way. So some function, I have to draw the graph, y-axis, x-axis, we have some function y equal to f of x. Say graph is like this, y equal to f of x, and we are considering values from x equal to 0 up to x equal to 2L. And this interval x equal to 0 to 2L is divided in m intervals. M intervals. So say first interval, second interval, third interval, equidistance, huh? And then last interval. So this is x naught, x1, x2, x3, x m minus 1, this point, and the last point is xm, and xm equal to 2L, x naught equal to 0 to 2L, therefore. Then corresponding values of y are, this is y naught, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y m minus 1, and this is ym. Okay. Then our aim is to find this h, right? Difference between x naught to x1, or say x2 to x3, h. So what the h is, what is the total length? 2L, right? Total length divided in how many intervals? First, second, third, like this. How many intervals? M intervals. Number of intervals, number of divisions. Okay. Therefore, see how the formula will modify. 1 upon L as it is, right? H is equal to 2L by M, and then summation of yi, I equal to 0 to m minus 1. So L will cancel. So A naught equal to, see what the formula is, 2 by m summation of yi, I equal to 0 to m minus 1. Understood the formula? Have you understood the formula how the A naught is obtained? 2 by m summation of yi, where I is from 0 to m minus 1. Let me continue. Hope you might have written it. Written? Can I go through the next page?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yes.
सर m आएगा m minus 1 आएगा, 2L upon m आएगा, m minus 1 आएगा.
नहीं, m इंटरवल आएंगे ना, नहीं समझे? y naught, y1, y2, ym, ये m minus 1, सॉरी m plus 1 आएंगे, है ना? y naught से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ना, 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. y1, y2, y3, ym, ये m आएंगे और एक y naught आएगा. और इंटरवल यानी हम कंसीडर करें y naught to y1 फर्स्ट इंटरवल, y1 to y2 सेकंड, y2 to y3 थर्ड, y10 to y11 10th, y100 to y101 100th, ym minus 1.
problem.
Okay.
A naught approx equals to 1 by L h into summation of I1 आएगा, या फिर मतलब अप्रॉक्स होगा ना?
दो चीज, हाँ करेक्ट, दो चीजें कर सकते हैं आप. या तो 0 से स्टार्ट कीजिए, यदि 1 से स्टार्ट करें तो ये आएगा, है ना?
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
हाँ, m डिवीजन है इसलिए। ओके, अच्छा, तो वी हैव रिटन a naught. Now let me write the n. So n is like this. an equal to our formula is like this: 1 upon L integration from 0 to 2L f of x cos of n pi x divided by L dx. Okay, so I'll write like this: 1 upon L integration from 0 to 2L y f of x is replaced by y cos of n pi x divided by L dx, that is equal to no change in 1 upon L. The integral is now converted into h summation of yi, right? Cos of n is constant, pi is constant. Constant means for a particular value it is constant. Okay, x is changing, x1, x2, x3 like this, na? So xi, and then L is constant, and I equal to 0 to m minus 1. H is known to us, so 1 upon L, what was the H? 2L divided by m, right? Summation of I equal to 0 to m minus 1 yi cos of n pi xi divided by L. L will cancel, and thus a n equal to 2 by m summation of yi cos of n pi xi divided by L. I equal to 0 to m minus 1. Hope everyone is getting this formula. Getting? Okay, then let me write the Bn. Bn equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L f of x sin of n pi x divided by L dx, 1 upon L. Same procedure. In fact, you can write it directly also if you understood. Sin of n pi x divided by L. Right. Let me convert the integral into summation. So 1 upon L h summation yi sin of n pi xi divided by L, I equal to 0 to m minus 1. Substituting h, it is like this: 1 upon L 2L by m. Okay, then next is just 1 minute. तर बोल
सर म्हटलं मी लेक्चर जॉईन नाही होऊ शकत.
कशामुळे?
काय माहिती सर, म्हणजे जॉईन नाही होते. जॉईनिंग पेजवर आहे मी, पण जॉईन नाही होऊ शकत.
हाँ ट्राय कर, एकदा ट्राय कर फास्ट. Wait for some time. You complete the formula of Bn. Okay, can I continue? Who called me before some time? He joined?
Okay.
हाँ, good. चलो. So where we are? Here. हाँ, let me continue. So yi sin of n pi xi divided by L, I equal to 0 to m minus 1. After simplification, after substituting all the values, it is 2 by m. This is the formula. Zero to m minus 1. Okay, hope you understood it. Now let me write all the formulas together. Okay, can I change the page now?
Yes.
Okay, right, next. Right, Fourier series expansion. With standard period 2 pi. Suppose f of x is periodic function of period 2 pi Can anyone tell me what will be the formula? What will be A naught?
Two by m
Good.
summation from I equal to 0 to m minus 1 into yi.
What will be N?
2 by m
Good.
summation of I equal to 0 to m minus 1 yi cos n pi x I by l.
Nxi na? Pi equal to L na?
Yes, sir.
L equal to pi. Therefore pi will cancel. Write and remember. Next letter. Half range cosine expansion. Write in short. F of x is a periodic function of period 2L, but it is defined in half range x between 0 to L. Then can anyone tell me what will be the A naught? Everywhere, whatever the expansion may be, everywhere the formula of A naught is same, no any change. I. Half range sine expansion. F of x is a periodic function of period 2L defined between x equal to 0 to L. I'm writing them in short, huh? That's it. We can develop the remaining formulas using above formulas. We'll go through we'll go through examples. Can we start with the example?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down. Right. Example. Complete it fast.
सर हा सर इज इक्वल टू 0 लिया था आपने और
One minute only. Yes, Radha. First example. The turning. Okay, let's write. Let me change the page. Just 1 minute. Right. The turning moment y units of the crankshaft of a mechanical engineering problem, steam engine is given for a series of values of crank angle x degree. Horizontal table is required. So here we write x degree, y, turning moment. So it is 0 degree, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Okay, and turning moments are 0, 5224, 8097, 7850, 5499, 2626, 0. Find first 3 terms in series of signs. Also find also find y for x equal to 75 degree, then write y for 75 degree. That's it. Solution. Find y for x equal to 75 degree. So function is not given explicitly, the functional values are given. Okay, values of the y, that is f of x, corresponding to finite values of x are given. X equal to 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Now first question is, can anyone tell me what will be the period of this function? What will be period of the function?
0 to pi.
So pi is the period. Function is defined from
Yes.
0 to pi, no doubt. But is the period of function is pi?
Yes, sir.
Last time I told you that whenever angles are given, by default, what will be the period of function?
Pi.
Standard period. And what is the standard period? 2 pi. It is not pi. Right now? And see the question. Find first 3 terms in series of sine. Means series containing sine term only. Suppose I consider Fourier series like this, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of nx plus bn sin of nx. Right now, full range expansion. Right? But this full range expansion contains both the terms, sine as well as cosine. But what is asked in the example? Find series of sine. That is only we want sine terms. Tell me when we will get sine terms only. When we will get the sine terms only. Only sine terms. कब मिलेंगे हमें? Yes, anyone? अरे कुछ समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं फोरियर सीरीज का? Only sine term कब मिलेंगे? 3 ही हमारे पास ऑप्शन है. देखो, एक तो है फुल रेंज एक्सपेंशन जो अभी हमने लिखा. सेकेंड है हाफ रेंज साइन एक्सपेंशन और थर्ड है हाफ रेंज कोसाइन एक्सपेंशन. तो इन विच केस विल गेट द सीरीज ऑफ साइन ओनली साइन टर्म.
Half range sine expansion.
हाँ, इफ वी फाइंड, इसको लिखो साइड में जैसे मैंने लिखा है, हाफ रेंज साइन एक्सपेंशन. सो हमें हाफ रेंज एक्सपेंशन फाइंड करना है. नाउ गो टू द फंक्शन. इज इट डिफाइंड इन हाफ रेंज? Yes, period is 2 pi, but it is defined from 0 to pi only. इतना समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? Right ना?
Yes, sir.
दो different चीजें हैं. What the question is? What is asked to find? It is asked to find the series of sine. So now it is clear that we want to find the expansion which contain terms in sine only. Cosine term should not be there. So it is possible if we find the half range sine expansion, then only it is possible. So to find the half range sine expansion, the function should be defined in half range. Go to the function, right? Since x is given in terms of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, by default the period of function is 2 pi, but it is defined in half range 0 to pi. Okay, so that period of the function is, right? Period of the function is डाउट है
सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर मला दुसऱ्या मेल आयडी वरनं जॉईन करायचे ते FEMAX-च्या. मी आता
कर ना,
कॉल
कर ना.
जॉईन केले तर अलाव
ठीक.
करतात?
अलाव माझ्याकडे नसते ती आपोआप होते रे.
सर नाही, मी मगापासून थांबलेलो आहे तरी नाही झालेलं.
हा ठीक आहे सर.
सर 2 मिनिटात करतो मी.
कर 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 लोक फास्ट. झालं जॉईन झालं. चल कुठे आलो. हा, this is not required here. Okay, this is very important that you have to understand. Okay, now write down. The period of the given function f of x is, period of given function f of x is 2 pi. but it is defined in half range. And you might have observed that the value of y corresponding to x equal to 0 and 180 degree is same. Right now 0, 0. Half range sign expansion is. Bn sign of nx. It is asked to find first three terms. F of x is not known to us, but its values are known at 0 degree, 30 degree, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180 degree. Okay. Then since Bn equal to, what is the formula? 2 by m summation of I equal to, इसको आप छोड़ सकते हैं अभी 0 to m minus 1. You can leave that. Sorry. How many divisions are there? 0 to pi, इसके कितने डिवीजन हैं समझो. See towards the table. 0 to 30 degree फर्स्ट डिवीजन हो गया, राइट. 30 to 60 degree सेकेंड डिवीजन हो गया, राइट. गेटिंग ना. 60 to 90 degree थर्ड डिवीजन हो गया. 90 to 120 फोर्थ डिवीजन हो गया. 120 to 150 फिफ्थ डिवीजन हो गया. और ये लास्ट सिक्स्थ डिवीजन हो गया. 6 डिवीजन है. या आप ऐसे करो, द एंड पॉइंट्स x equal to 0 and x equal to 180 degree, the value of y is same ना. एक को छोड़ दो आप, इसको मैं छोड़ देता हूं, ठीक है. लास्ट वाले को छोड़ देते हैं. अभी काउंट करो कितने पार्ट्स हैं. 0 is 1, 30 is second, 60 is third, 90 fourth, 120 fifth, 150 sixth. So what the m is? Number of divisions, and they are 6. Okay, so now therefore Bn equal to, and write it on the next page. m substitute करके इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं हम नेक्स्ट पेज पे, ठीक है.
श्रावणी आपके मम्मी निकले हैं क्या? हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, ओके ओके ठीक है. सर आपको एक 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक देके आना पड़ेगा. फोटो के लिए सब आए.
किसके लिए?
फोटो डैब.
अरे यार, कितने बजे?
सर सब आ गए हैं. एक 5 मिनट का ब्रेक दे दीजिए. मनीषा मैम को भी बुला है.
3-4 मिनट के बाद एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. 3 मिनट.
हाँ ठीक है सर, पर आ जाइए. हाँ
बी. हाँ बोल.
ते होमवर्क से तुम्हें काल देना होता ना, नोटिफिकेशन क्लासरूम में.
हो दिल ने आज देता. ठीक है.
यस सर.
चलो B1. n equal to 1 is substituted. अभी भी ये समेशन वगैरह छोड़ दो. I equal to 1 2 वो छोड़ दो. आप कोई जरूरत नहीं उसकी. n equal to 2x है ना. n यहाँ पे है ना, यहाँ पे मैं I substituted 1, then I substituted 2, I substituted sorry, I will substitute 3. ये अब हमें सब फाइंड करना है. फॉर दैट a table is required. चलो टेबल ड्रॉ करते हैं. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है. कैल्सी यूज करना है एंड वी वांट टू कंप्लीट द टेबल. टेबल कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे आप? और उनका समेशन फाइंड करना है हमें. प्लीज डू इट योरसेल्फ. आई विल बी बैक विद इन 5 मिनट्स. टेबल कंप्लीट करना है. 0 30 डिग्री प्लीज, ये हमें पता है. 90 120 150. ये समेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस समेशन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. वैल्यूज ऑफ y वो जो हमें टेबल में दिए ना उनको सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. देन यूज द कैल्सी. व्हाइल यूजिंग कैल्सी बी केयरफुल दैट degree is there. You are using degree, not the radian. Okay, and please complete the table. I will be back within some time. Some departmental task is there. Okay, please continue. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
You are here.
हाँ, good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning. Where we are? Here. Acha, let me take the attendance since probably I will not able to continue. So you can continue with the next lecture. We'll continue with these examples in next lecture. Probably
Okay, sir.
I think just 1 minute. Extra lectures will be required. The exam timetable might be known to you, not timetable, when the exam will start. From 11th of April, the exam will start. It will be on the first 4 units. Then, yes, again, MCQs will be there. Okay, 85 students are there. Few of you have not written the roll number. I'll mark absent for them. No problem. Okay, we'll continue. You can go through the next lecture. Please solve this example. Consider this as a homework. And answer is B1 is equal to, check your answer, B1 equal to 7850. B1 equal to 7850. B2 equal to 1500. And B3 equal to 0. I'll repeat. B1 equal to 7850. Better I'll write it here. B1 equal to 7850. B2 equal to, what is the B2? B2 equal to 1500. And B3 equal to 0. If you want, you can check the summations. This is 0. This is 4500. And B1, it is 23,589. In fact, in last 2 lectures, we are not able to complete the required part. I wanted to complete this topic today, but probably we have to continue with 1 more lecture. And extra lectures will be required. I'll let you know about the extra lecture in next week. Then from 3 to 5 p.m. Extra lecture is there. During that lecture, we are going to solve the MCQs of unit number 1 and 2. And the lecture is compulsory for those, I told you yesterday, that those whose marks are little bit less in prerequisite test or unit test or 12th. That list will be, the roll numbers will be provided to you after some time. We have some one meeting right now. DAB meeting is there. Departmental Academic Boards meeting is there. Okay. So once that will be completed, I will share the roll numbers of the student for whom it is compulsory to attend the remedial lecture. Okay. And the remedial lecture is from
रेमेडियल लेक्चर होगा उसमें क्या पहले तो सब कुछ सिखाएंगे
नया कुछ सिखाएंगे नहीं, उसमें एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे यूनिट नंबर 1 और 2 के. ठीक है. और जो फेल हुए हैं, यूनिट टेस्ट में फेल हुए हैं या एब्सेंट थे, उनको मंडे को टेस्ट देना है. मंडे से फिर रीटेस्ट स्टार्ट होगा. मंडे यू हैव अ पेपर ऑफ मैथ्स, ट्यूसडे फिर फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री का है, उसका टाइम टेबल आज आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. एनी डाउट
वाला शो कर सकते हैं
क्या
सर? इससे पहला शीट,
इसके पहले वाला
सर ते गूगल क्लासरूमला
ये
सर
ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन
क्या
सर
ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्या?
हॅलो.
हाँ बोल ना.
सर
आज सर माझ्या
सर, 11 चे exam हो गए.
अटेंडन्स एक मिनिट, मला अटेंडन्स मला काय सांगायचं नका ह्याच्यावर. अटेंडन्स व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवायचं मेसेज. दिस इज नॉट
गूगल क्लासरूमला केलं.
काय केले
सर गूगल क्लासरूमला तुम्ही करणार होते ते केले नाही अजून.
हा ते करतो, ते आज करतो की, ते करतो आज. हा. एनी अदर डाऊट? सगळं ऑनलाईन असणार आहे, काय ऑफलाईन नाही. नथिंग ऑफलाईन इन सेमिस्टर 1. एव्हरीथिंग विल बी ऑनलाइन ओनली. सो बी हैप्पी.
सर एंड सेम एग्जाम
ऑनलाइन
वो घर से देनी है या इंस्टीट्यूट में आके ऑनलाइन देनी है?
अरे घर से देने हैं, खुश रहने का.
सर कुछ तो ऑफलाइन हो.
थँक्यू सर.
सेकंड
कुछ नहीं ऑफलाइन.
सर
सेकंड
क्या सेकंड
सेकंड सेमेस्टर ऑफलाइन होगा, ठीक है.
फिक्स क्या सर?
बैकग्राउंड बदलने आता है हमें.
हाँ कर सकते हैं ना, क्यों नहीं. यहाँ पे जाना है और ये यहाँ पे कहाँ पे है, चेंज द बैकग्राउंड, वहां पे जाना, ठीक है. चलो मैं निकलता हूँ, ठीक है.
ओके सर. हमें लगा
Thank you,
कि आप किचन में बैठे पहले.
हाँ
थैंक यू सर.
गुड नाइट सर.
हमें लगा आप किचन में बैठे पहले.
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, चलो बाय बाय.
सर रेकॉर्डेड लेक्चर.
हा हा
पुढचे लेक्चर पण नाही होणार आहे का आता मग?
आता होणार आहे ना पुढचं लेक्चर. माझी फक्त मीटिंग आहे, सर्वांची नाही आहे.
ओके सर.